Hello, Assalamualaikum and good morning. We are about to present BMMF 1034 Automotive Workshop Practice about VVT-I engine system. My name is Muhammad MUKRIZ bin AZMI and my other group mate Muhammad Afiq Iman bin Muhammad PAUZI, Muhammad ZAYAN bin AZHAR and Muhammad FIRDAUS bin MAKHYUDIN.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today I will go for introduction VVT-I engine. Next, history of VVT-I engine. This system has been developed by Toyota company. VVT-I means variable valve timing intelligence technology. Before VVT-I were created or developed, VVT have been used in all engine. Besides that, this VVT-I system have been introduced on the 1JZ and 2JZ engine in 1996. VVT-I engine system are big achievement that have been made by Toyota that improve engine performance. Nowadays, VVT-I systems still used in modern engine because their performance and fuel efficiency still good. Next. Next, we'll continue by ZAYAN.
Okay, now we move to theory of operation VVT-I engine. Okay, we have a 4 point about theory. The valve within an internal combustion engine are used to control the intake and exhaust gases into the out of the combustion chamber. Okay, for the second point, an engine equipped with a variable valve timing equation system is free from this constraint, allowing performance to be improved over the engine operating range. Okay, for the third point, piston engine normally use valve which are driven by camshaft. Then the cam open the valve for a certain amount of time duration during each intake and exhaust cycle. For the last theory, the camshaft is driven by camshaft through timing belt, gear or chain. For this era, many cars use for timing change for easy. Okay, next we move to three major components VVT-I engine. We have three major components for VVT-I engine. We have the electronic control unit, we have oil control valve, and we have WT pulley. Okay, first the electronic control unit ECU. The function is which calculate optimum intake valve timing based on engine operating condition. For the oil control valve, the function is which control hydraulic pressure under the ECU's. For the pulley function, which continuous change intake the valve timing using hydraulic pressure. The WT pulley does not need an additional pump to function because it uses the conventional engine oil pump. Okay, now we pass to Afiq Iman.
Okay, the system and technology diagram. The VVT-I system is specially designed to control the intake camshaft to provide valve timing that suits the engine condition. It improves the torque as well as increasing fuel economy and reducing exhaust emissions. Usually, the design of the camshaft is within a range of 50 of the crankshaft angle. The sensor passes all of the information from the engine to the ECM. Some of the sensors are VVT sensors on the right bank and the left bank, the engine coolant temperature sensor, the throttle position sensor, and the mass airflow meter. And the information, all the information will be passed from the ECM to the camshaft timing oil control valve. Next. The ECM can calculate optimal valve timing for each driving condition and controls the camshaft timing oil control valve. The ECM also uses signals from the camshaft position sensor and the crankshaft position sensor to detect the actual valve timing. It also provides feedback control to achieve the target valve timing. Below is the ECM diagram based on the VVT-I technology diagram before this. Next, I will pass to ZAYAN.
Okay. After the meeting, we have got 4 opinions on the technology. Okay. First point opinion, we include increased torque and output, better fuel economy, and reduction of nitrogen oxide, NOx, and hydrocarbon emission. For the second, the simple structure of the VVT-I make it extreme variable and easy to adapt for existing engine design. For the third, VVT-I is a great technology that improves the engine performance. Therefore, I hope it will improve more in the future so that more power will be gained to the engine for future cars. For the last opinion, VVT-I engine can be upgraded with a new technology to improve the VVT-I system. Okay, next.
And now we into the advantages of the system. The first point is to improve fuel economy and reduce NOx and hydrocarbons. The negative pressure inside the cylinder is to mitigated, reduce intake loss and increase fuel economy. Second one, the combustion temperature is lowered to reduce the NOx. And third one, unburned gas is returned to the combustion chamber to be reburned, reducing hydrocarbons and to less the emissions. And the second point of the advantage is increased torque and output. The VVT-I engine increases low and medium speed torque by controlling in advance. Intake valve closing in the low and medium speed range. With an increase in engine speed, the timing for closing the intake valve is retarded to raise output. And now we into the disadvantages of the system. VVT-I is not the right choice for high rev type car engine. The response for varying the valve timing is not that good for high rev type driving. It can act faster for this purpose. Second one, if your car setting doesn't match the VVT-I engine preference, your car will use 30% more fuel. And third one, the higher range torque will consume more fuel, where VVT-I can adjust the valve timing effectively.
And lastly is the conclusion. In this system, variable valve timing technology has grown as technological availability increase. Second, VVT-I is just another example of advanced in under the hood technology that continue to make vehicle more powerful, cleaner and efficient. Third, VVT-I engine can deliver more torque at lower revolution per minute (RPM) range and more horsepower at higher RPM. Fourth, maintaining fuel efficiency and lower emission. And lastly, it saves up to 30% fuel when you drive a VVT-I engine car compared to non-VVT-I. Thank you.